Let's learn how to draw shapes. First, we will trace it with black color. First shape is square shape. Second, triangle. Next, rectangle. This is circle. And this is heart shape. Oval. Next is diamond. Next shape is semicircle. This is cross. This is trapezium. Next is crescent. And last one is kite. Now colors. Green color. Second, brown color. Third, yellow color. And fourth, red color. First, we will take green color for square. Next, brown color for triangle. Rectangle color is yellow. And red color for circle. Again we will take red color for heart shape. Next color is yellow for oval shape. Brown color for diamond. And semicircle color is green color. Cross shape is yellow color. Trapezium is in red color. Crescent is in green color. And the last is brown color for kite shape. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.